Okay, here is a little party costume for some girls who might enjoy this. I mean, I guess guys could as well. So I'll show you guys what we got in here. So we have a mask. So this is gonna be like a cat mask here. We have, what is this part here? Oh, a tail. So we have a tail. So the tail, a little strap on as a belt kind of item there. And then we have some paws as well. So heck, I'm gonna put this stuff on. Let's give it a shot. So, someone's gonna use this against me. Okay. Okay, and there's that. And let me aim you guys over here because that's kind of where I can stand up and you can see me. And let me see if I can put these on here. Oh, wrong way. And so this is me as a cat. So look at that. I got my tail on. Woo, 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 and I got the hands and I got the mask. I mean, how cool is that? It's really, it actually looks really good. It's really cool. And then I got the tail. How sweet is that? It's actually pretty good. I like it. So look at that. And I got little paw print things here and I got fuzzies on the outside. So I would say this is pretty awesome. So thumbs up for sure if you need a little costume or want to dress like this for all the time. I guess you're able to as well. So really cool. Thumbs up. Awesome.